Hi friends, welcome back to the channel iQOO. In this, we're going to compare the CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO 7 device versus Mi 11X device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the Android 12 update, and I'll try to use the game turbo and ultra game mode as well during this process of demonstration. In the game turbo, I'll try to select the balanced mode option, as you can clearly see, means not the monster mode, not the high performance mode, just only balanced mode settings which I'm trying to use between these both phones. As you can clearly see, the proof which I'm trying to show you, balanced mode. And now I need to use the same settings I'm trying to use between these both phones, which is a maxed out settings. This is the highest number of threads the application can actually do. So that's the reason I'm trying to select highest. So because this is a very powerful processor, right? Snapdragon 870. So that's the reason I'm trying to select the highest threads. Now let me to continue this kind of throttling test between these both phones. So let's start. So using with the game turbo and using with the ultra game mode, we're going to find out exactly which will maintain pretty good consistent results and how much performance score also we can actually expect in the balanced mode versus this iQOO 7's balanced mode. So you can see the initial temperatures are pretty close. It's only 26 degrees Celsius. I can be back after some time, maybe close to 5 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss more details. So right now, as you can see, we are reaching exactly 7 minutes of time, and you can see the both phones are pretty consistent. But the thing is that in the iQOO 7, the performance seems to be kind of really very high, like 3 lakhs. You can see clearly the performance that's pretty high when compared with the low performance if you use the balanced mode. So both phones are exactly in the balanced mode, but still the performance seems to be slightly higher in the iQOO 7 device when compared with the Mi 11X device. And the temperatures should be kind of very less because the performance is very less, so temperatures will be very low as well. In the iQOO 7 device, slightly high, 36 and 37 degrees Celsius as well. The phone did increase because performance is pretty high. You can see what's happening here. So MIUI 13 and the FontTouchUI 12 update between these both phones. And I will be back after maybe close to when the time is about 12 minutes or 30 minutes of time. Then we can discuss more details between these both phones. So finally friends, we got the final benchmark test results, and there is no CPU throttling detected in the Mi 11X device. Can you believe, friends? But this complete test is done only with a balanced mode, so you will be definitely expecting slightly kind of less performance, but which will be stable. So when compared with the iQOO 7 device, iQOO 7, look at the performance, 3,29,000, 3,17,000 and 3,02,000. So everything is above 3 lakhs in the iQOO 7 device performance. So CPU total up to 93%. And in the Mi 11X device, you can see 250, 244 and 230. And no CPU throttling detected if you try to use this game turbo and the balanced mode. So this is the graph, friends, in the Mi 11X device, and this is the graph in the iQOO 7 device after using ultra game mode and after using the game turbo mode. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.